How's it going, everybody? Out here in the early morning, gonna get some shots of this crazy amount of snow coming down right now. All right, let's get to it. Focus out here right now with all this snow, it's wild. Sorry. Maybe right here. Beauty. That building just disappeared into the snow. That's insane. Barely making it across the streets right now. Talk about committed. You got this lady out here walking her dog. That's just insanity. Good dog owner though. Love for the pooch. Guy looking all dapper out in the snow in the morning. Brave soul. Oh, nothing but a suit in this. You guys out for a run? Gotta get your cardio. Poor soul is just waiting and waiting. Looks like these streetcars have been backed up for a while. They don't look like they're going anywhere anytime soon, to be honest. Checking on the progress there by the looks of things. Go a little further back. Try to get the streetcar in with the building there in the back. Yeah, I'm getting lost in the snow though. Bad shot. There's cop cars sitting here in the mix of it all. Right behind all these street cars. Beautiful. Got snow in his eyebrows and everything. Out frigid morning commutes. Not bad for a quick shot. Fire trucks going down here. Oh, it's sliding out. Oh no. So brutal, even the frickin' fire trucks can't handle it out here. Absolute insanity. Snow-covered walk lights there. Maybe try to catch one from the front a little bit here. Kind of like that.
You are taking mine?
Yeah, do you mind?
Yes.
Awesome.
I don't mind. Yes.
Looking good.
Thank you, but you cannot identify who am I?
No, not at all. Not with the
Now you
mask.
Now you can take me.
You want another picture?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
That's history.
Hey, looking very good.
Thank you. You see, excellent. I don't know how you can send me this.
Do you have Facebook or Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What's your Instagram?